Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So as you can see, my makeup is like half done and I'm looking a little bit weird. That's because we're going to be playing around with some eyeshadow and a face palette. So I've done most of my makeup and I've done a little lip combo that I think will be flattering of these tones. If you're wondering, it's the NYX lip liner in Natural and NYX butter gloss in Creme Brulee. But yes, I have the ZOEVA Together We Shine collection and a couple of ZOEVA brushes as well. So yeah, I'm just going to play around and give you my review of these products and whether I think they're worth your time and money. So I'm just going to talk about the ZOEVA Together We Shine travel size palette to begin with, as I've actually used it quite a bit compared to the full size, which I haven't really used. So this is sort of the size difference, and as you can see, the shimmers I would say are the same shimmers that are in the full size palette. This is a perfect palette for just natural everyday makeup, especially these two shimmers. I love them so much. They're so subtle but really pretty, and I'll just give you some swatches as I probably won't be using this, as I'll just use the full size. So these are the shimmers. So it's sort of a gold one on top, one that's slightly pink with a bit of gold reflect, and a cranberry shade. They're really stunning and I think they're very wearable. And here are the tones of the three mattes. I think they complement the shimmers really well, and you can make quite a few looks out of just this tiny palette as well. And I think it's perfect for those who don't wear eyeshadow a lot, as the pan size are a lot smaller, so you don't feel like you're wasting your money on a huge palette if you don't wear it that often. But that is not the palette I'm going to be wearing today. I'm going to be wearing this full size palette here. So I think I'm just going to jump in. I'm going to go in with this shade here, Delightful. Yeah, it's just a soft brown that's quite light in tone. I'm going to take that on my ZOEVA Luxe Soft Crease, and I'm just going to put that in my whole crease, a tiny bit above maybe, just to help as a transition shade. ZOEVA brushes are just some of the best out there, especially for your eyes. If you have the budget to be able to buy one of their sets, because it's where you get the most value for money, 100% recommend it. I'm pretty sure most of my brushes are from one of their big sets that I got for Christmas, and I've had them for years and the quality is still amazing. I'm gonna swatch the three shimmers in here because I don't know what direction I want to go. That was just with one swipe, so I think I might just dip into the cranberry for a little bit of fun. I'm gonna just deepen out my eyes a bit further. I'm gonna take the shade here, Confidence, just on the same brush and sort of stick that more in the outer corner, and it's going slightly into my outer crease as well. Just to blend them edges out a bit more, I'm just going to take another clean brush on that first transition shade. Okay, so let's just deepen it up a little bit more. I'm now going to go in that cranberry shade here called Celebration, just on my Luxe Smoky Shader brush. And I'm just going to sort of carve a shape out with that, and then I might build a little bit more with my finger. I'm just going to take it on my finger and add a bit more. And I'm just going to go back in with that Luxe Soft Crease blush. I really can't say this. I'm going to go back in with that Luxe Soft Crease brush, you know what I'm trying to say, and blend the edges. I'm just going to take a clean brush, sort of a powder brush, wipe any fallout or anything away. That was a ZOEVA 106 powder brush. I forgot how much I love cranberry shades. This is so pretty. Lower lash line is really going to make this, so I'm going to take a petite crease brush as well, just with that Delightful shade first, and run it under my lash line, making sure I connect it up sort of with the outer corner. And take a bit of that Confidence just in the outer third. And finally, some of that Celebration shade. I'm probably just going to put it along the whole bottom, just skipping on the inner corner. I'm just taking that crease brush again and blending the bottom with the top, so everything is just as seamless as possible. Okay, and I'm going to take my Luxe pencil brush in the shade Radiance here, just a nice champagne-y gold, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. Oh my gosh, it has this nicest pink reflect in it that you can't see in the pan, but oh, it just complements this cranberry shade so nicely. And I'm just gonna run some of it in the inner third because these two shades together are so nice. I love highlighting the inner third like that. I think it always looks so pretty. And I'm gonna take some of it under the brow bone as well. Okay, let me chuck some mascara on and I'll show you the finished look. Okay, and this is how it looks. Well done. past me for picking out a really good matching lip. What do you think? I think these tones are so flattering and it's so pretty. It was really easy to work with and I love this colour story so much. Yeah, at the moment this palette is a win for me. I think it just looks so pretty and flattering. And I definitely think this is a very good all year palette. I think the cranberry makes it really perfect for winter with these sort of light shimmery shades and mattes. Give you so much to work with in spring and summer, which is normally what I opt for then, something more light and just shiny. Also forgot to mention there's a huge mirror on the top. So if you like having mirrors in your palettes, that could be a bonus for you. I also want to talk about the Together We Shine face palette. Here she is. I'm going to try it on for you. I think first of all I'm going to take the blush. What one do I want? I might try out these two and I'll show you, because I'm going to take them on my Real Techniques blush brush. I'm going to take Growth first, which is this top one. Oh, very pigmented. Okay, I swirled my brush in it and I've tapped it off. Okay, may have tapped too much off. This one looks like a matte formula, but this colour is very flattering for me and I think matches the colour story of the eyeshadow palettes really well. I mean, it blends out on your face really well. There's no choppiness or patchiness or anything. It sort of is a bit foolproof and I love how much colour payoff it has. Some blushes can be a bit wimpy, whereas this, I built up a tiny bit, but it didn't take me long at all. I love my blush to have a bit of oomph about it. I really like that colour and it might have the slightest of a gold sheen in it. I can't tell. I'm gonna try and lay a Celebration on top. I think it has a bit of a reflect in it. I don't know if you can tell. So let's just take a little bit of that on top. Oh yeah, that one definitely has a sheen to it and it's that bit more deeper and warmer. I don't want too much of a sheen because I want to test the highlight. So if you like a shimmery blush, that one could be for you. I'm going to take my ZOEVA Powdered Fusion brush, just in this shimmery highlighting shade there. Oh, that's so pretty. It is almost a champagne-y, it is like a champagne highlighter, but it's got this light pink reflect that is so pretty and it complements the eyeshadow again really well. Whoever picked these color stories, top-notch job, because it's really pretty. If you like pinks, this range is for you. They do a Together We Grow collection, which is a bit more of a different sort of vibe. So do check that out if this isn't your thing. But I love these sort of colors. I think they're so flattering. That highlight is really pretty. It's not blinding or anything. And when I've sort of buffed it in, it looks very skin-like and it's just giving me a really nice sheen. As you can see, it catches the light there. And it has this nice pink sort of reflect. It's hard to explain, but it's like a natural sort of pink. I can see myself wearing this look a lot. It's really pretty. I'm gonna just blend that highlight sort of into brow bone and crease because it's so pretty. I just keep applying more. Okay, put the brush down. Overall, I'm happy with this. I just need to try this shade a bit. I'm not sure if I like it on me. I don't know why I wouldn't actually, but that performed really well, that palette as well. Okay, so this is the final look. What are we thinking? Do we like it? I really love the color story of these. They've worked really well. I'm very impressed, to be honest. I've always been a lover of ZOEVA palettes and makeup, so I think it's a bit of a no-brainer for me to actually like this. It makes me want to try the Together We Grow collection. You'll find the links for these products in the description below. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed. If you want to see more of me, don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting about weekly at the moment, and also check out my Instagram at Time to Put My Face On if you like product reviews and product photography. Yep, that's all from me and I hope to see you again in the next one. Bye.